special dream. Visualize just what we mean. Innovation shaping our fate. Together we celebrate. From data to display, community lights the way. Liquid Galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid Galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. The world where we glide, from the peaks to the seas, exploring with ease. Mapping the future's bright, our bond ignites the night. Collaborate, innovate, together we elevate. Liquid Galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid Galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Liquid Galaxy, we see an old technological marvel standing tall. Liquid Galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Liquid Galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid Galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Tech beehive. In the heart of the tech beehive. In the heart of the tech beehive.
Hello community, I am Karan Kumar Das from Kolkata, India, and currently I am pursuing my BTech in Computer Science and Engineering at IIT BHU Varanasi, and I am super excited to be part of Google Summer of Code 2025 and contribute to Liquid Galaxy with my project Google Labs Generative AI Data Visualization. The goal of this project is to build a web-based visualization platform that lets users interact with Liquid Galaxy through natural language prompts and voice commands. User can simply ask questions or give instructions, and the system will automatically generate and display the KML on Liquid Galaxy screens. This project will be built using HTML, CSS and vanilla JavaScript for the frontend to keep it lightweight and framework independent. And I will be creating a separate backend with Node.js and Express, where I will integrate LangChain.js with Google Gemini model to handle prompt processing, context management and AI responses. For voice input and output, I will be using the Web Speech API for a hands-free interaction. The generated KML files will be synced with Liquid Galaxy screens via LG Server API calls, and additional features like file uploads and QR-based rig pairing will enhance its flexibility and usability. Now let me be honest, this isn't just another front-end UI or data viewer. Here is why this project really stands out. The first thing is AI-based interaction. You talk to the app like you are chatting with an assistant. It uses LangChain plus Google Gemini to understand your prompts, figure out what data you want to visualize, and then builds the right KML for Liquid Galaxy. No need for technical knowledge, anyone can use it. Automatic KML generation and visualization. The AI does not just reply with interaction, it builds the right KML code behind the screens and then syncs it directly to the Liquid Galaxy rigs via the LG Server API calls. For talking to the accessibility, the platform speaks back to the AI responses to the users using text to speech, making it super accessible. This can be really useful in classrooms, museum or exhibition where hands-on control isn't always possible. Now I will talk about how the AI part works. Basically how everything works behind the screens when a user interacts with the app. The very first thing is understanding the user's prompt. The user starts by either typing a message or speaking a command using voice input thanks to the WebSpeak API. This raw inputs needs to be processed in a way that the AI can understand not just the word but also the context, especially since we are working with a specific system like Liquid Galaxy. The next thing is prompt engineering with LangChain. Here is where LangChain.js comes in. LangChain allows me to structure and enrich the prompt before it's just sent to the AI model. I use something called prompt template in LangChain where I inject system level instructions and context. For example, what Liquid Galaxy is, how KML works, what kind of outputs are expected, and what kind of visualizations are supported. This ensures that even if the user gives a vague or incomplete prompt, the AI still knows how to respond accurately because the template guides it. The next thing is AI response via Google Gemini. Once the structured prompt is ready, it's passed to the Google's Gemini model, one of the latest large language models optimized for reasoning, creativity, and even the code generation. The model then processes the prompt and gives one of two kinds of output: a textual response if the query is general or informational, or more importantly, a KML code block which is ready to be displayed on the Liquid Galaxy screens. This is the most exciting part where the AI turns a natural query into real time geospatial context. After generating the KML code, now it's time to automatic visualization in Liquid Galaxy. Once the KML is generated, I will use a custom tool inside LangChain to send it to the LG rig. This tool is integrated with LG Server API, which allows my backend to communicate with the Liquid Galaxy system. Using LangChain's bind method, I connect the tool to the AI agent so that whenever a KML is generated, it gets sent and visualized automatically. No need for the user to manually copy or paste anything. To make it more robust, I've also added a sync to LG button as a fallback, so users always have the control. If somehow it not sync with the Liquid Galaxy screens. Now the very interesting thing is conversation memory with LangChain. One of the key things I wanted to solve was how do we make this feel less like a one-shot chatbot and more like an ongoing conversation. To do this, I am using LangChain's conversation buffer memory. This stores previous user messages and AI responses so that the system can maintain context across multiple queries. Okay. Now I will talk about why this project deserves to be chosen. This project isn't just about building a tool, it's about creating an AI system for Liquid Galaxy. It acts like a smart layer on top of the Liquid Galaxy system, capable of understanding natural language, generating KML, and automatically visualizing it across the rig. Whenever it's through typing, whether it's through typing or speaking, the assistant handles everything from processing the prompt to rendering it on the screens, making complex interactions incredibly simple. Whether it's for education, geospatial research, or interactive storytelling, this tool empowers people to bring data to life through AI on a global visual medium. Plus, the architecture is flexible. Once it's live, others can build on top of it, adding features, supporting more formats, even plugging in different AI models. That's all from my side. Thanks for listening, and I am really looking forward to building something awesome with Liquid Galaxy this summer.
Hello everyone, I am Kriplani and this is my submission for Build with AI Assist contest from 2025, and I have built an app called, wait, let me just show you the name of this app. Uh, Galaxy Pilot. It basically control Liquid Galaxy behind me with voice command, and it has also integrated an open source AI model Gemma 2 and Gemma 3 from different providers and also Llama. So yeah, let's just test the app. Here the app start with a cute little 3D mascot. You can just play around with it, just toggle it around, just widget. Yeah, it is just there for the fun. And let me just show you the settings. It is already configured, it is already connected to my Liquid Galaxy, so all the input fields are filled, and it also can scan the QR code to connect. And below it are the API settings. There are different provider uh, for Gemma or any other open source API. Right now I am using Grok API because I didn't get the API from Gemini because it asked for billing information which I was not able to provide, and other services I have run out of daily quota, so I will just use Grok and save the API key. The API key is saved, and let's just see it follows our command or not. Okay, let's just check. We all know that Liquid Galaxy show this logo for successful connection, so we can say that it is connected, right? And let's just see. Clear the logo for me. You just clear the logo. Uh, Take me to Tokyo. Yes, yes. Taken me to Tokyo. Here you can see the place mark as well. Let's just give it a difficult command. Now that I am in Tokyo, why don't you tell me top 3 tourist destination in Tokyo? It is understanding the command. It is generating the KML. And yeah, it is taking us to 3 tourist location in Tokyo. Let's just see what are these locations and if it has generated a somewhat bubble over it or not. Shibuya crossing, yeah, it has generated somewhat considerable bubble. It has some information about it, and it is second location is Tokyo Tower. Let's just click on it. Yeah, here it is bubble Tokyo Tower. And third location is where is the third location? Okay, I have to zoom out. Okay, here it is. Maiji Shirin. If I hope I pronounce this correctly. Maiji Shirin. So yeah, it has also generated bubbles. But as we all know, there is a token limit. So let's just give it a command which will generate a even longer KML, and let's just see if it generates a error or not. Tell me top 10 tourist location in New York. It is understanding the command. Nothing is happening on Liquid Galaxy. It's still understanding the command. Yeah. And it failed. Failed to generate requested KML because it must be too long because we asked for 10 location. Let's just check if it works for 5 locations. Tell me top 5 tourist location in Jaipur, Rajasthan, India. The Liquid Galaxy is paused. Nothing is happening. Nothing is happening. It is still understanding the command. Nothing is okay. What it tells yet again. Failed to generate. So I get stuck. Okay, let's just try 4. Tell me 4 top tourist location in Jaipur, Rajasthan. Oh, it again failed. Oh, it failed quite quickly this time. I think I have reached the daily quota limit. But yeah, that's how the app works. Uh, so that was the demonstration of the app. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Madhav Majumdar. I'm from India, and here's the submission of Build with AI KISAP contest 2025. So this is the application for Build with AI KISAP contest 2025. I have used this Pixel 6a emulator, which have a 6 inches display, and it have 3 screens: home, connect, and settings. In settings, we have simple functionalities for Liquid Galaxy to control the Liquid Galaxy screen, which is relaunching, reboot, or power off, or refreshing the screen. And then we have this connect screen where we can connect with Liquid Galaxy by giving the details. And here's the home page where we can enter the location which we want to see or navigate to. So let's connect with Liquid Galaxy. It's connected. Let's go home and tap the location. Let's say Sweden.
forests, numerous lakes, and coastal islands. It has a progressive social system and a high quality of life. Sweden
Okay,
is the country with the most islands. It has over 267,000 islands.
as you can see, when I put a location in here, a place, it tells some interesting facts about that place, and the Liquid Galaxy navigate to that location. Here is how the application work. When we give an input to the application, it is sent a request, a prompt where we requesting for a brief description, interesting facts and coordinate of that place or a location, and then AI give the response and we fetch it and decode it and save in our local machine. Then we send the location, the coordinates, using KML to Liquid Galaxy, where our Liquid Galaxy react and navigate to that specific location. And we are using Flutter TTS package to reading the description and facts of that location. My proposal of using AI is to get historic data and events and show it on Liquid Galaxy screen. Basically for using for simpler tasks, not too complicated. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rohit and I am here to present my application for Build with AI contest. So this is a simple application where you can just enter your prompt and it will give you some results, and on the basis of results it will redirect you to different places onto the Google Earth, and also gives you a balloon on the rightmost screen. So let's see how this works and get the feel of this. So I will going to first go to the settings screen, and here you can see that I have already set up my Gemini API key. So you can also put your own API key in case to run the application. So now I'm going to change the, so since I've been previously I was working with the emulator, now I've changed. So if now I'm going to connect this. So let's connect to, yep, so you can see this is connected, and most probably it will redirect us to leader. So you can see that we are being redirected to lead. Now let's test the real functionalities. So first of all, I'm going to send here hi. Okay, you can hear the voice that hi there, how I can help you today. So this is a simple text and it will be shown on the rightmost Liquid Galaxy screen. Now if I try cleaning this, so I can also clean it. So you can see that this has been removed from here. Now even we can do one more thing is we can let's say explore, and I want to explore Taj Mahal. So let's send this. Okay, so let's wait for a moment while it generates the required content for us. So you can see that the content has been generated and it will going to redirect us to Taj Mahal directly. Yeah, so you can see that we are now at Taj Mahal, and you can see this image. And also it is leading us to different places, and which is basically related to that only place. So if I say, let's say explore, and if I tell it to explore India, and then let's send it. So now it will generate some of the places along with some contents, and you can see that we have been redirecting to the different places in India. So you can see there's the first place is Delhi. You can also hear the voice that is coming from this audio section, so you can mute it. So you can click on to mute this. Now you can see that we have been redirecting to different places based on the content that has been generated. So how am I doing this? So basically the first content is being generated, that content is again used by the Gemini API to recognize if that content is a place or not. If that is a place, then it will again send to the our maps API key, where we are getting the coordinates of that place, particular places. So this is how everything is going into the backend. So this is pretty stuff, and since it is being given us in the markdown, so this is not being passed actually, but yeah, this does our work. So you can also clear this history, so you can continue, and everything will be cleared. And yep, so this was everything, that is say what is Liquid Galaxy, for instance, and if I send it there, let's see what happens. So hopefully we get an answer. So this is a pretty good, so explain this Liquid Galaxy in one line. Okay, so you can see that Liquid Galaxy is a paranomic multi-display system that provides immersed Google Earth and geospatial data experience. So when the text is too long, this doesn't appear onto the rightmost Liquid Galaxy screen, because this is not scrollable. So that's why the size doesn't fit, and hence the text is not being rendered in the rightmost screen. Yeah, so that's all for this application. Hope you liked it. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Mohit, and this is the submission for this Build with AI contest for the Kit app. So, this is the app that I made for this contest. So, as soon as the app is opened, there is this animation that shows on the front page. The first thing that needs to be done is to, of course, connect the app with the LG rig. So, here are the 5 options that need to be present on the Connect tab. The host, port, username, password, and number of screens. There is also scan QR code, which since this is not supporting camera, it is not showing here. When I press connect here, this shows me this connected snap bar. The user also needs to add the Gemini API key, which he can access by clicking on this I button. So this link will open the page which will give the API key. There's also this tools page which contains all the tools essential for the Liquid Galaxy. So the main page contains this logo, and then there's this input bar. So the main purpose of this app is to visualize the flight paths of from various cities. For example, if I fly from Delhi to Jaipur,
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard this flight from Delhi to Jaipur. We're just about ready for departure, so please sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
so this is showing Delhi, and then it will go to Jaipur. So this is showing Jaipur now, and this is the flight that is orbiting around from Delhi to Jaipur. So this is a 3D airplane model that is flying from Delhi to Jaipur, as could be seen here. This could also, so what AI does is, AI gives me the coordinates of Delhi and Jaipur. This could, since these coordinates are given by AI, I could also use something like capital of Spain, to capital of France.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard this flight from Madrid to Paris. We're just about ready for departure, so please sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
So this is showing me Madrid, and then this is Paris. That's showing. And now it will start the flight. So here this flight that is going. It will go all the way from Madrid to Paris. Fast forward it. So this could also be used to orbit specific place. For example, if I write here, show me New York.
Orbiting around New York.
So now it is orbiting around New York. So it also contains text to speech, which, as you would have heard, it says after every command. This could also be used for normal questions. For example, full form of IP, I could ask it and it would not fly from anywhere. Just like a chatbot would work. IP stands for Internet Protocol, just like you said. This is the information that it. So another example that we could use is fly from country of rising sun, which is Japan, to country of setting sun, which is US.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard this flight from Tokyo to London. We're just about ready for departure, so please sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
It is not US, it is London. So we are going from Tokyo to London. I could also ask the AI to surprise me, and it would give me 2 random locations.
Orbiting around Paris.
Or it could just orbit. So what I have used as prompt for this app is this. This is the prompt that I have used, and the user input that I give will be added to this prompt and then given to the Gemini API. I have used Gemini API for this, and I have. So what the structure of the app is that first the user enters this text, which will be then added to this prompt. Then what will happen? It will fetch the API. The API will then return a JSON format like this. It printed somewhere here. It will get return some JSON format like this. It will contain the location. For example, if only your orbit is to take, if orbiting is to be done, then it will contain something like this, and it will orbit that. If there are two cities that need to be from and to, so it will respond something like this. So after this response is given to the app passes the from and to location and then creates an orbit from that location to the destination, and then the KML is used to animate the 3D model of the airplane from location to location. So this is the design that I created before making the app. So this is the home page of the app, and this is the connect page that contains all the important text fields, and this is the tools app, tools page. This is the animation that I created for this home page. It should be and this is the animation that I created using Figma, and I implemented it on in the app using Lotus. And this is the mock-up of the Liquid Galaxy that would that's what the Liquid Galaxy would look like. So this is the app with mock-up. Thank you for giving me chance to display my app.
To a world you can see through panoramic screens, living in the grand spatial dream. Visualize just what we mean. Innovation shaping our fate. Together we celebrate. From data to display, community lights the way. Liquid Galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid Galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. To the world where we glide, from the peaks to the seas, exploring with ease. Mapping the future's bright, our bond ignites the night. Collaborate, innovate, together we elevate. Liquid Galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid Galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Liquid Galaxy, we see an old technological marvel standing tall. Liquid Galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Liquid Galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid Galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Tech beehive. In the heart of the tech beehive. In the heart of the tech beehive. primary screens, living in the grand spatial dream. Visualize just what we mean. Innovation shaping our fate. Together we celebrate. From data to display, community lights the way. Liquid Galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid Galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. The world where we glide, from the peaks to the seas, exploring with ease. Mapping the future's bright, our bond ignites the night. Collaborate, innovate, together we elevate. Liquid Galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing tall. Liquid Galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Liquid Galaxy, we see an old technological marvel standing tall. Liquid Galaxy, together we thrive. In the heart of the tech beehive. Liquid Galaxy, we see it all. Technological marvel standing